So hello and welcome to the another installment of Gain. Please can you like and subscribe and follow the channel, share it with other people. You might like to be engaged with a small investment of a company that is easily recognizable. So Dunkin' are effectively building out 20 new Dunkin' restaurants, and you can invest in this. It gives you the terms and conditions when you click on Learn More. You can go to invest.franshares.com/offerings. So we'll go through the rest and maybe pick a particular one. You've got Burger King. So they're going to remodel some stores, and effectively you're going to get a particular return. Same with Pizza Hut, Northeast franchise. So less well known, Hawaiian Brothers and Everbowl. So that's pick Burger King. So we're going to learn more on this opportunity. So effectively, they're looking for 3 million. So you've got, so they're looking for a rate of return, I suppose, depending on how much you contribute, between 11.4 and 13.5. So that, and then you've got effectively $10,000 investment, and you can then exit 3, 4, 5 years. So effectively, you've got a situation where people are still going to the restaurant, they're still buying sort of the Burger King products. There are certain documents you can read about it, and then you can sort of create an account, and then you can offer up your details and select which one you want to invest in. And these ones are $25 a share. So there'll be more information, and it tells you the relevant shares, locations, and effectively you've got related companies. So you've got the Burger King, and then you've got the Tasty King, Pizza Hut, Tasty Hut, KFC, Taco Bell, Tasty Chick, Dunkin' BR, and Tasty Bites. So effectively, it's giving you a list of where they're going to be doing, a nice video to watch, and then what you're looking at is the relevant operators in that particular area. So, they're known by one thing, and, these are the companies that have got certain brands. So, it looks like if you're running a hospitality, your hospitality will be sort of the Burger King and the Popeye. So it's saying, the Tasty Restaurant Group has these many, and this is effectively the ranking. So it is sort of like mid-range in the table, but on the number of eateries there are, it's pretty low. So let's look at the documents. So you can look at the relevant documents for investing in effectively Tasty, and then if you want to have further information, you can communicate there. So effectively, as it says here, it's sort of they're called Tasty, but they're actually sort of creating a number of different Burger King and Burger King related. So that is something that you can actually look at. I mean, that was the wrong button. So let's have a look at other offers. So the thing is that you can actually filter. I mean, at the moment they're just doing food, but you can come back here if you've got some money that you want to put aside. So let's have a look at these two. So this one here sounds interesting. Celebrity-backed superfood brand, fresh off Shark Tank. So it's got the notoriety, and you've got, it looks like it's a bit higher risk, because then you're getting sort of between 19.2 and 12.7. So 10,000 minimum. Unfortunately, on this one, it looks like you're going to have to keep your money invested in for a long time. I mean, there's the video here where you can get more information about the product. Well, let's have a watch, shall we?
Here at Everbowl, we believe the key to life is movement, and the key to movement is fueling your body with good-for-you food. Well, superfoods, made by nature and loaded with stuff that tastes amazing and is actually good for you. That's why at Everbowl, we created a menu of delicious bowls and smoothies made with stuff that's been around forever. You can choose from a selection of signature bowls or choose our whatever bowl and customize your base, toppings, and more. Stop by, say hi, and enjoy to fuel your active lifestyle today.
So it's one of those things, it's probably targeted at the younger group. So you can get bowls of superfood, fresh fruits, nutrient-dense bases, and toppings sourced with nature. So they're all natural. Somebody wants to pop along, get their sort of healthy snack or lunch, etc. And they're congregated initially around Texas. So you've got the relevant projections, you've got the relevant profits. So what's this here? Investors' distributions. They are quite high. Annual cash on cash. So distributions only. So as they get more stores, you're going to get more return to the so that's 3 million of the initial 4 million. So that's quite a healthy return to the investor. So I would say that it's something as an alternative. Food can be a little hit and miss, but if you have some sort of new ideas, people like new ideas. So I think this is something, if you have a bit of spare cash, you don't want it all in the stock market, and it's one of those things that will potentially grow. I don't know if there's any incentives or tax incentives for investing, but reach out to Franshares, tell them gain.cam pointed you the way. Please like, follow, and share, because I've lost my employment and I'm trying to start this as a new business. So thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next video.